Hey guys, it's Faith. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today's video we'll be talking about digital note taking on an iPad. So let's get right into it. So we're going to start today's video off with some pros and some cons, and then some tips on digital note taking, and then we'll be getting right into seeing some of my notes and how they've been going so far for the first week of school. So to start off with pros and cons, some of the pros are you're never running out of paper. Basically, you have an endless supply of paper. With GoodNotes 5, you just swipe up and it'll give you a brand new page right after you're done with your previous page, and that's it. You just continue writing like it's nothing. The next pro is that you have unlimited pen colors and thicknesses and different pen types. I know for GoodNotes 5 you have 3 different pen types, and for Notability you have many different pen thicknesses and colors that you can choose from and tools, and the colors that they give you are actually amazing. I love them. I think they're beautiful, but you can also create your own with a color wheel and everything, same as GoodNotes 5. Another pro is that all of your files are instantly backed up and in one place. From previous experience, I used to have all of these different notebooks, all different folders, all of my information was just spilling everywhere, but with an iPad, it's simply in the Files app, and then I can just save all of my files right into there. I can organize them by folders for class, and that's it, and they're all right there. Another pro is that you have to trace diagrams. I'm a psychology major, and I recently have been having to trace neurons and a brain and the body and stuff like that, and it's been really helpful for me that I can just pull a picture from Google or from my lecture slides and just trace it and how I want it to be and label it how I want it to be and color it so that it's beneficial for me as a learner. Another great pro is also the lasso tool. So the lasso tool in GoodNotes 5 allows you to move things around on paper, which is not possible on handwriting. With your iPad, all it needs is the Apple Pencil and the lasso tool in GoodNotes 5, and that's it. You can move anything around, you can size it however you want, change the color, you can do whatever you want with it. You also have the choice of copying it and duplicating what you just wrote, so you don't have to waste time redrawing diagrams, rewriting long titles. It's really amazing. Another big pro, which is something I actually didn't know how well it was going to do for me, but it actually has blown me away, is the battery life. I have the very lowest base model iPad that you could have, and the battery life is incredible. I mean, everything that you could really push to digital note-taking, this iPad did, and it stayed strong, and it was amazing. Now onto the cons list of digital note-taking. To start off, the price for everything is quite expensive, but it is again a one-time buy, so it's worth putting in the money for if you have it. I bought my iPad and my Apple Pencil through the Education Store, and the Apple Education Store pricing is quite different. I got my iPad for $309 versus $329, and I got the Apple Pencil for $89 versus $99. So now we're going to move on to some tips and tricks on digital note-taking that can benefit you if you get into it. For me, I immediately started looking up digital note-taking videos, as well as YouTubers that organized their workspaces and their lives for academics, because I felt like that was what I needed. The 2 YouTubers that I love are Study Collab and Janice Studies. Study Collab really showed me how to organize my Notion, which is another video I'm going to do about how my Notion workspace is and how I organized that for myself and how my girlfriend also organized her workspace. Janice Studies showed me how it's beneficial to condense your notes, but as well as keep them very organized and clean looking when you're getting into digital note taking. Another tip is that you must have a paper-like screen protector. Simply put is that it immediately improved my handwriting on my iPad, as well as it has improved my handwriting over only a couple weeks of using my iPad. I will say that the Apple Pencil kit does wear down more because of the matte screen protector, but there is something about writing on this paper-like screen protector that is just so satisfying, as well as feels like you really are writing on paper. Another big tip on digital note-taking, which I love that GoodNotes 5 and Notion can come together in this, is that you can immediately export your notes into a PDF and put them in Notion with an assignment so that they are right there and you can open them in Notion and just review your notes right there. Another good tip is that you should buy online textbooks so that you're able to import them in GoodNotes 5 or Notability so that you can write on them immediately, or you can pull the diagrams from your own textbook. And the final tip is digital note-taking and having these tools at the tip of your fingers is what makes it so fun. It makes it more fun than having a pen and a piece of paper. It's the luxury of it. Even though it may be a bit pricey to get into, it is absolutely worth it. It'll keep you intrigued. It'll keep you ready to learn new topics as well as organized. Digital note note-taking is way more of a positive than a negative thing. And I can say that as well as many other YouTubers who do this. If you have any questions or suggestions or comments, or you want to see a specific video from me, please comment down below. Follow me on my social media, and please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and put that bell on. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I greatly appreciate it. Please make sure to subscribe so that you can see more videos coming from me. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you guys in the next video, so stay tuned.